I have a very inspiring story of Barbara Corcoran, entrepreneur and Shark Tank investor. Barbara Corcoran, one of the investors on Shark Tank, turned her dreams into reality by combining hard work, belief in herself, and visualization. When she started her real estate business with just a $1,000 loan, she would often picture herself as a successful businesswoman and told herself that she would make it. She raised her vibrations by believing in herself, using positive affirmations, and imagining her success. Even when things were tough, she focused on the good and kept her thoughts in line with her goals. As a result, she turned her small business into a multi-million-dollar company, proving that keeping a positive mindset and high energy can help you achieve your dreams. Manifesting our desires is all about aligning our energy with what we want to attract in our lives. When we talk about raising our vibrations, we are essentially talking about elevating our emotional and spiritual state to a level where we can effortlessly draw in the things we have been dreaming of. It's a concept that has gained popularity in the realm of personal growth and attraction, and for good reason, it works. Today's video is a complete guide to learn to raise our vibrations to effectively manifest our desires. Welcome to the channel Elevate with Shachi Seth. Hi, I am Shachi Seth, writer, entrepreneur, life coach, and your dear friend. One of the biggest hurdles people face when trying to manifest their desires is getting stuck in a cycle of negative thoughts and low energy levels. It's easy to get caught up in what's lacking in our lives rather than focusing on what we want to create. I have been there too, feeling like I'm not good enough or that I'll never achieve my goals. But the truth is, our thoughts and emotions have a profound impact on the energy we put out into the universe. These negative patterns can be hard to break, especially when they become ingrained habits. We might feel like we're doing everything right, but still our manifestations are not showing up. It's frustrating to say the least. But here's the thing. We have the power to shift our energy at any moment. We just need to know how. Getting stuck in a rut can also lead to feelings of hopelessness and despair. It's like being in a dark room with no clear exit strategy. But I want you to know there's always a way out. And it starts with recognizing the patterns that are holding you back. Low energy levels can also make it difficult to manifest our desires. When we're feeling drained, it's hard to muster up the motivation to take action towards our goals. But what if I told you there are simple techniques that can help boost your energy and get you back on track? Here's a breakdown of the practical process to increase your vibrations and improve your manifestation process, inspired from the book Ask and It's Given by Jerry and Esther Hicks. Let's get started. 1. The rampage of appreciation. This process involves starting your day by focusing on something that makes you feel good and expanding upon it. Begin by expressing appreciation for everything around you, people, situations, or even things in your environment. Focusing on what you appreciate helps elevate your vibrations quickly and shifts your mindset to a positive one. 2. The focus wheel process. In the focus wheel process, you write down your desire in the center of a page and then surround it with statements that support this desire. Each statement should be positive and build the belief that your desire is already coming true. This process helps you slowly shift your thoughts from doubt to belief, aligning your energy with your goals. For example, write desire in the center of the page. Let the desire be, I want to start my own successful business. And write supporting statements around it like, I have great ideas that people will love. Or you can write, I'm becoming more confident every day. You can also write, I'm learning everything I need to succeed. The right opportunities are coming to me, and so on. The more you read or write these statements, the more you begin to feel aligned with your goals. The focus wheel helps you gently move your energy from doubts to trust, and that's when manifestation becomes powerful. 3. The magical creation box. This is very nice. The magical creation box is a physical or mental box where you place your dreams, desires, and things you want to manifest. Every time you think of your desires, imagine putting them in the box and feel the excitement as if they are already a reality. This process reinforces the feeling of having what you want and keeps your desires in your focus. 4. The pivoting process. The pivoting process teaches you to notice negative thoughts and emotions and deliberately shift them to something more positive. For example, if you're thinking about lack of limitations, pivot to thoughts about abundance or possibility. By pivoting your focus, you instantly raise your vibration and improve your emotional state. 5. The satisfaction process. This process encourages you to focus on feelings of satisfaction, whether it's small achievements, enjoyable activities, or simply being content. The key is to find satisfaction in what you have right now. Cultivating satisfaction allows you to align with the energy of fulfillment and peace, attracting more of the same. 6. The breathing process. The breathing process involves taking deep breaths and focusing on the sensation of breathing in and out. This helps clear your mind and relax your body. Deep breathing calms your nervous system and centers you in the present moment, making it easier to raise your vibration and connect with your inner peace. 7. The appreciation process. The appreciation process is a daily practice of deliberately appreciating everything and everyone around you. By focusing on gratitude, you shift your energy to a higher frequency. Take time each day to appreciate the small things and the bigger ones, cultivating mindset of abundance. 8. The meditation process. This process encourages daily meditation, where you quiet your mind and connect with your inner self. Meditation helps to reduce stress, increase focus, and allows you to hear your inner guidance. It aligns your energy with your desires by calming your thoughts and improving your vibrational frequency. 9. The visualization process. In visualization process, you vividly imagine your desires as if they are already real. You create a mental image of your goal, feeling the emotions and sensations as if they are happening right now. This process enhances your belief in your ability to manifest your desires and helps align your vibration with what you want. 10. The scripting process. This process involves writing a story about your ideal life as though it is already happening. Describe your perfect day, focusing on details and feelings as if everything you want has already come to reality. Writing this story helps you step into the emotional experience of already having your dreams and desires come true. 11. The wouldn't it be nice if process. This playful process encourages you to daydream about your desires in an open-ended way. Begin with the phrase, wouldn't it be nice if, and let your imagination expand on the possibilities. This method allows you to stay open to what could happen and aligns your energy with possibility rather than limitation. For example, you could say, wouldn't it be nice if my business made double the profits? Wouldn't it be nice if I got my dream car? 12. The joyful meditation process. It is a meditation process, but in this meditation, you meditate with the intention of focusing on feelings of joy. As you meditate, concentrate on things that bring you happiness, whether it's nature, memories, or positive experiences. This meditation raises your vibration by grounding you in the emotion of joy, which is a high frequency energy. 13. The I can do it process. This process involves affirming your own abilities. Whenever you face challenges or doubts, tell yourself, I can do it. With confidence, this simple affirmation boosts your self-belief and allows you to move forward with faith in your ability to manifest your desires. 14. The positive aspects process. In this process, you look for the positive aspects in any situation, even ones that initially seem negative. By consciously seeking what's good about your circumstances, you raise your vibration and change your perspective. This process helps you stay in alignment with the energy of abundance rather than focusing on the lack. 15. The circle of influence process. This process encourages you to focus on the things you can control, such as your thoughts, actions, and responses. When you focus on what's within your influence, You feel empowered and aligned with your power to create. By taking responsibility for what you can change, you improve your overall vibration and sense of control. 16. The Appreciation Journal. The Appreciation Journal is a daily practice of writing down the things you're grateful for. By focusing on what you appreciate in your life, you train your brain to look for positive experiences, shifting your focus for the good. This practice helps you raise your vibration by cultivating an attitude of gratitude. 17. The Vision Board Process. Creating a vision board involves gathering images, words, or quotes that represent your desires and goals and placing them on a board where you can see them every day. This visual representation serves as a constant reminder of what you have been aiming for, keeping your focus on your dreams and aligning your energy with your goals. 18. The Emotional Guidance Scale Process. This process helps you assess where you are emotionally and work your way up to the scale of better feeling thoughts. By identifying your emotional state and deliberately choosing thoughts that feel better, you raise your vibration and move towards higher, more positive emotional frequency. 19. The Happy for No Reason Process. This is again my favorite. This process encourages you to practice happiness, not because something external is making you happy, but because you choose to be happy. By cultivating joy from within, you disconnect from needing outside circumstances to dictate your mood and instead allow happiness to flow naturally, thus raising your vibrations. The Ask for Clarity Process. In this process, you ask the universe for clear guidance on the next step towards your desire. You trust that clarity will come to you, either through inspiration, signs, or external guidance. This process helps you to stay aligned with your path, offering you the insight needed to move forward with confidence. The Releasing Resistance Process. The Releasing Resistance process is about letting go of limiting beliefs, doubts, and fears that block your desires from manifesting. By consciously releasing resistance and trusting that things will unfold as they should, you allow the natural flow of abundance to reach you. This process creates space for your desires to come into reality without interference. Each of these processes help you raise your vibration and align your energy with the manifestations you desire. Whether through appreciation, visualization, or focusing on positive emotions, these techniques support you in becoming a powerful creator of your reality, aligning with the flow of abundance and joy. The key is to find what works for you and make it a consistent part of your routine. Experiment with different techniques until you find what resonates with you. The most powerful insight that I have discovered that is our vibrations are not just about what we do, but also what we are being. It's about embodying the energy of what we want to attract. For example, if we want to manifest abundance, we need to feel abundant right now, not just when the money shows up. This mindset shift can be incredibly liberating. When we focus on being the energy of what we want to attract, we open ourselves to a world of possibilities. We start to see that everything is interconnected and that our thoughts and emotions have the power to shape our reality. Embodying the energy of what we want to attract can be as simple as changing our perspective. For example, instead of focusing on what's lacking in our lives, we can focus on what we already have. We can focus on the present moment and let go of the worries about the future or the past. By making this small shift, we can instantly elevate our vibrations and align with our desires. It's not about achieving some sort of mystical state. It's about being present and intentional with our energy. To recap, manifesting our desires is all about raising our vibrations and aligning with what we want to attract. We discussed some common struggles like negative thoughts, low energy levels, and explore techniques like gratitude practice, meditation, positive affirmations. The key takeaway is that our vibrations are not just about what we do, but also who we are being. If you're ready to start manifesting your desires and raise your vibrations, please share your experiences in the comment box below. I would love to hear from you. Also be sure to check out my next video on personal growth. So subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this one, hit the thumbs up icon and remember the bell icon for notifications. Goodbye. God bless.